Hi guys, if you watched the last video, you know I made this slime. It's huge. And yeah, so you guys are probably like, she has 2 clear glues. What is she gonna do with that? Well, I will be showing you. Let's keep making. I got my first glue. This is gonna be a way shorter video because this isn't adding tons of stuff to it. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna add some blue to it. 1 single drop of blue. I'll show you guys the drop. The drop of blue. Ah! So my slimed spoon. Take this slime off and get back in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Actually, I could eat this. It looks like Jell-O. But as you can see, I'm only doing 1 bottle because I'm scared I'm gonna do something wrong to this. So now I'm gonna add damage activator. That must be enough to it. Oh. This is a way smaller batch. Needs a bit more activator. Okay, this is actually activating. I feel like it's not gonna in the end though. Just watch, guys, it's not gonna activate in the end. So I'm not using borax or something. But actually. This is gonna be a waste of money. I think I'm gonna go in with my hands and get my hands destroyed. Don't worry about the background. That's just some Shrek. I am Shrek. I look like Shrek. So ugly. Gonna activate. I'm sorry that this video is so quiet. Oh my god, those veins. It's hitting the count. That's hitting the counter so much. Oh, it's like metallic. Like, actually. Hi, Julie, if you're watching this. Julie Maringer. Is this going to be a waste? Yeah, this is a waste. This is not activating. Okay, why is it always with the clear glue? Actually, 6 minutes of making this. It's getting on the counter. I'm going to have a lot to clean up. So, yeah. You guys can just like leave now. Yes, I know I'm still filming.